Hello YouTube. For today's video I have this massager. It's a pillow massager, and we got this brand from Homedics. It's considered one of the #1 brand in massage, and as you can see, it's got this nice design over here and some technology over there for the massaging, and it's got those heating system there, and it basically, this is for your neck massage. And let's see what's inside the box, and we can take a look what it's got to offer. Just the regular packaging, it was around like 30 bucks. And looks like a pillow shaped, like a kind of contour design over here, and soft padding over on the edges, and it's got this power button here, and this is for soothing heat, and it's got this plug over here. I'm gonna just take this out, and let me just plug it and see how it powers on. So there you go, I just powered it on. And so if you press this button here, so you can see here these rotating, those balls, they kind of glue on red color too, and they kind of rotate clockwise. I think it's got those two round balls, they kind of rotate, and as you can see here, they both are kind of rotating. This one is kind of rotating clockwise, and this one is rotating counterclockwise. So basically it's trying to massage and help your neck relax down here. So your neck would be down there, and you will be resting your neck like that. And it's pretty much a nice design here, very soft material here, not so heavy, lighter side of the material. On the back it's got this same nice padding over here, and that's your Homedics logo over here. And if I press this, so that's gonna flow the heat. So that's kind of nice design. It's got this so if you press this, so basically when you press it, you kind of hear those click sound. So you gotta press a little bit harder. If you hear the click sound, then it rotates, then click it, it turns off. And it's got this mesh design on this top where you rest your neck. And so basically it's a very simple plug and play kind of design it has.